We're going to Formula Drift Japan, you guys. So we're gonna get it acid dip. We gotta get a little work done. Turbo's on there. We got the subframe in. Transmission in. All the stuff's safe. Yeah, so we got 4 stiffies in here tonight.
They're black stiffies.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're tuning this thing. So if you guys have been following the series, we've been building the car for a couple months now. And then in the last episode, Phil came in, helped with the wiring, kind of the preliminary tuning. Also, I'm super tired. We've all only got like about 2 hours of sleep last night. But I want to show you guys real quick before we get to the dyno. This is the first time that's sitting on the ground as a roller. I'm so excited. Also, if you haven't subscribed, f you. All right, let's go. Ooh, it's on the ground! Oh, baby. That is a big move. It's so Mad Max style looking without any body kit or anything. So it's never been on the ground and we have not moved it under its own power yet. So you guys are gonna see that as well when we get her loaded up. We'll get to the dyno, cross our fingers, make good power. Comment below power guesses as well. I'm hoping we get traction so we can get a true number, but we'll find out. Alright guys, I stopped filming for a little bit. You're probably wondering what the hell is on my forehead. On the way loading up, unfortunately we weren't filming because it probably would have been really funny. The car has like so much freaking torque and like it hasn't been tuned yet, so it kind of drives weird. And it spit the ramps out and I was trying to push the car up and I slipped. Smoked my head on like the back of the tail lights. I got a big gash right here. So anyways, my new nickname is gonna be Scarface. So it's a super original name. I haven't heard anyone with that nickname and I think it's really badass. All right, well I'm gonna shut up because we are gonna get to tuning. I'm freaking stoked. Alrighty, first pull. I'm gonna evacuate this area. As you can see, that got pretty exciting. So that freaking wheel has a little bit of a leak, which of course we did not know of. They've been sitting for like 6 months. We've been building the car and it got low on the dyno and overheated and exploded. Yeah, I got smoked in the face again today. But at least I'm providing you guys with entertainment. If you guys have not subscribed by now, come on. This is gold. This is TV ready material. So luckily, our buddy Neil, he works here at Black Market Racing. He provided us with some wheels, some nice work wheels. So we're gonna throw those on and continue. All right, I had to walk away from there because I'm like stressing out. Dyno, like I'm not a tuner, obviously. And so for dyno sessions for me is I'm like helping if they need anything. And then just watching basically and flipping out the entire time. Because I've had a lot of poor experiences with tuners and engine builders in the past. Now that is obviously not the case with Phil. Phil's been awesome. He tuned the R32 and the R34, but I still am like, I have that shell shock, I guess, from the past. And I'm just like, man, is something wrong? Like, why isn't it making power? What's going on? Right now, Phil's having a little bit of trouble getting the timing right. He was explaining that if the timing is right, it's just firing at like the most terrible time. So we're making progress. He's getting all the little things figured out, get the timing sorted out. Appreciate you guys for sticking with us. We're getting there. By the end of this episode, we're gonna make some power. All right, it was only running on 4 cylinders. Now we have 6. Let's do this. Okay, so we're at 936 wheel. We ran out of boost. We would need new wastegate springs so we could run more boost if we want to. We got nitrous. Let's do this. Okay, so Phil has announced that is now anti-lag time. If you're wearing headphones, turn it down just a little bit. NANI? Holy sh**. Alright guys, well that is that. We made 955 horsepower. I gotta check again, I'm so tired. And 661 foot-pounds. Once we added the nitrous in, it was spooling like so much earlier. Flat foot shifting set up. We got the anti-lag set up. I don't even have words. This is so cool. I'm so happy. It went, honestly, we were told it went pretty well by Neil, wherever he went. He's helping us with the dyno session. So thank you, Neil, and shout out Black Market Racing. Appreciate you guys. Next up, we need to bring it back to the shop, change a couple things, fix a couple things, and then test day time. It is time to go test this thing before we tear it down and then powder coat and like finish it up. Stay tuned. I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to support us, check out our merch. JMO and I happen to be wearing matching t-shirts. I don't know much else to say. I'm pumped up.
I'm tired.
Love you guys. We'll see you soon. Peace.